American and Saudi officials are discussing the terms of a mutual defense treaty that would resemble military pacts that the U.S. has with allies such as Japan and South Korea, in a bid to get Saudi Arabia to normalize relations with Israel, the New York Times reported. Under the agreement, both sides would pledge to provide military support if the other country is attacked, either in the region or on Saudi territory. Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman is also asking the Biden administration to help his country develop a civilian nuclear program, which some U.S. officials fear could be cover for a nuclear weapons program to counter Iran, according to an NYT report. Any treaty with Saudi Arabia that is similar to the American pacts with other allies is sure to draw strong objections in Congress, since some lawmakers, including top Democrats, see the Saudi government as unreliable partners who care little about U.S. interests or human rights. Move part of Biden's gambit to secure normalization of ties between Israel and Arabia. An agreement would also raise questions about whether President Biden is getting the United States more militarily entwined with the Middle East, and would contradict his administration's stated goal of reorienting American military resources and fighting capabilities away from the area and towards China. Discussions between the U.S., Saudi Arabia, and Israel have mainly revolved around MBS demands, and that diplomacy is expected to come up on Wednesday, when Biden meets with Israeli PM Benjamin Netanyahu on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly in New York. During his speech at the UNGA on Tuesday, the U.S. president mentioned the benefits of nations normalizing ties with Israel. The U.S. military has bases and troops in both Japan and South Korea, but American officials say there are currently no serious discussions about having a large contingent stationed in Saudi Arabia, under any new defense agreement.